The steelhead is one of the most iconic species of the Pacific Northwest. For the past 13 years, the Idaho Department of Fish and Game has been studying the iconic steelhead of the Potlatch River watershed in north central Idaho, revealing a dramatic fight for survival by one of the most celebrated yet threatened species in the western United States. Nearly all of the habitat conditions steelhead have adapted to over the last few centuries have rapidly changed over the last 100 years. Barriers and habitat alterations in the Potlatch watershed, the steelhead's natal grounds where they spend 2 years of their young lives, has reduced their habitat to a fraction of historical levels. Today, a team of federal, state, and private partners are working together to stabilize and restore the habitat steelhead returned to after their 500-mile migration from the ocean. Join us as 7 miles of stream are restored with the replacement of multiple culverts, restoring new possibilities for the threatened steelhead to thrive in. This is the first time in 40 years steelhead will have freedom to reoccupy their historical spawning and rearing habitat. With barriers removed, landowners who live along these creeks excitedly wait to do their part to helping the threatened steelhead. Landowners fondly recall spending time as kids hiking along the creek to their favorite swimming and fishing holes, completely unaware that they were swimming with a soon-to-be-gone population of wild steelhead. With access restored, landowners now feel motivated to leave a legacy for their children, so they too can experience these moments with nature. Projects like this take years to plan and implement, and they are not possible without cooperation between multiple state and federal agencies, and most importantly, landowners who see the value in restoring these wild places.
Do you see that little one? Nice!